Imagine you're planning a trip to Japan. You've got your flights booked, your accommodation sorted, but there's one thing that's still bothering you: foreign transaction fees. Ever wondered if there's a way to avoid those pesky fees and save some extra cash for your souvenirs? Well, today we're diving into the world of travel cards, specifically the YouTrip card. And we're going to answer the burning question: is it free? What is a YouTrip card? A YouTrip card is essentially a prepaid travel card that allows you to spend in multiple currencies without incurring foreign transaction fees. It's like having a universal currency converter in your pocket. But before we get into whether it's free or not, let's talk about the benefits of using a YouTrip card. No foreign transaction fees. This is the big one. Say goodbye to those hidden charges that can add up quickly when traveling. Multiple currencies. YouTrip supports a wide range of currencies, so you can easily manage your expenses while abroad. Real-time exchange rates. The card uses real-time exchange rates, ensuring you get the best deal every time. Easy to use. It's simple to top up your card and use it like a regular debit card. Is it free? Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. Is the YouTrip card free? Well, it's not entirely free, but it's pretty close. Here's the breakdown. Card issuance. The card itself is usually free to obtain. Annual fees. There might be a small annual fee, but it's often waived for the first year or even completely absent. Inactivity fees. If you don't use the card for an extended period, you might be charged an inactivity fee. Foreign exchange spread. While there are no foreign transaction fees, you might still incur a small foreign exchange spread, which is the difference between the buying and selling rate of a currency. So, while the card itself might be free, there are some additional costs to consider. However, compared to the hefty foreign transaction fees you'd pay with a traditional credit card, the YouTrip card is still a much more cost-effective option. How to get a YouTrip card? If you're interested in getting a YouTrip card, the process is usually pretty straightforward. You can typically apply online, provide some basic information, and wait for your card to arrive in the mail. To summarize, the YouTrip card is a great option for travelers looking to save money on foreign transaction fees. While it's not completely free, the benefits often outweigh the costs. So, if you're planning a trip and want to avoid those pesky fees, consider getting a YouTrip card. It could be the key to saving you some extra cash for your next adventure. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.